everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. I come forward to talk about the Tamil Nadu Dental College's review video. So if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. Followed by that, for the latest update, either you can simply watch the videos on this channel that is regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, or else you can join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling either by drop me the mail which is shown on your screen or by follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. You can follow me there as a sweet gesture. Followed by that, you can ask for the link, register yourself and join in just 5 minutes. Now, without wasting time, it's my humble request that you can watch this video till the end regarding the Tamil Nadu Dental College's review, fees, cut-off, seat, everything in detail. With the first private dental college that is present in Tamil Nadu, that is the Adi Parashakti Dental College and Hospital, which is the private dental college present in Tamil Nadu, which is established in the year 2005 and 6. Hospital attached to this college is the Mel Maru Vathur Adi Parashakti Institute of Medical Sciences and Research. The university is the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. If we talk about the MDS seats, then there are 3 prostho seats, 2 OS seats, 3 endo seats, 2 perio seats, 2 oral pathology seats, 2 orthodontic seats and 3 pedo seats of MDS. Followed by, if we talk about the fees in this college, definitely the 3 years MDS course will have the fees, that is the 31.5 lakh of clinical branch and that too of 3 years of the MDS course. Followed by that, if we see the cutoff of the previous year analysis of NEET MDS 2022, that which rank will come under this college, then you will get one idea that at which rank you can get this college in the NEET MDS 2023, right? So, if we see the previous year analysis, that to the journal category from the All India Quota Counseling previous year analysis of the cutoff of NEET MDS 2022 pedodontics with the rank of 299. Another journal category candidate got MDS in prosthodontics with the rank of 167, followed by MDS in oral surgery with the journal category that is the 98. Another candidate of journal category got MDS in endodontics with the rank of 112, followed by MDS in orthodontics being a journal category candidate at a rank of 61. Followed by the Tamil Nadu previous year analysis of the OBC category, that too in All India Quota Counseling of NEET MDS 2022, MDS in pedodontics at the rank of 122, followed by MDS in periodontics at the rank of 379, MDS in oral and maxillofacial surgery, that means MDS in OS at the rank of 140, MDS in orthodontics at the rank of 63. Followed by the All India Quota Counseling SC category of the cutoff of NEET MDS 2022, that is the previous year cutoff being the SC category, that is MDS in oral pathology at the rank of 694, MDS in endodontics at the rank of 241. Asan Memorial Dental College and Hospital, Kachipuram, it is the private dental college, but this college is only for the BDS, not for MDS, right? Now let's see the another dental college, which is the private dental college in Tamil Nadu, that is the best dental college, that is in Madurai, which is the private dental college, which is established in the year 2007 and 2008. Hospital attached is the Madurai Medical College, Government Rajaji Hospital. University is same, that is the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR University in Chennai. If we talk about the seats of MDS in this college, Then there is 2 OS seat, 2 OMR seat, 3 PhD seats, 2 ortho seats, 2 oral pathology seats, 2 perio seats and 2 endo seats. Now if we see the previous year cutoff of NEET MDS 2022, that to All India Quota Counselling, that which rank come under this college, so that you can get one idea that which branch you will get under this college, being a private dental college of Tamil Nadu. So being a general category candidate of All India Quota Counselling of NEET MDS 2022, MDS in periodontics at the rank of 185, MDS in oral surgery at the rank of 284, MDS in endodontics at the rank of 173. Followed by the All India Quota Counselling of the NEET MDS 2022 cutoff of the OBC candidate, MDS in periodontics at the rank of 190, MDS in oral pathology at the rank of 550, MDS in oral medicine at the rank of 306, MDS in public health dentistry at the rank of 518, MDS in endodontics at the rank of 116, that means 116, followed by MDS in orthodontics at the rank of 160, that means 160, followed by All India Quota Counselling of NEET MDS 2022 cutoff of the SC category, that is the MDS in oral surgery at the rank of 556. Regarding the Tamil Nadu private dental colleges review, cutoff, fees and the seat. Stay tuned with my channel. More videos are coming regarding the dental colleges review. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Don't forget to share my videos and subscribe to my channel. And if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.